पानी आती चली आती है में पानी आ जाना
Why you want to go from there? It's hostel. I got on this yesterday, and then I was getting down here. Everybody got down. Shah suddenly pushed it. I fell down.
Oh.
Onto this.
Oh.
I didn't push it. Today, our destination is Katipara, and here's Papa setting the map so we can reach there without any confusion. It's just 14 kilometers from our house, but because of the traffic, Google Maps, so they wisely decided to leave the driving to somebody else and opted for a taxi and a bike ride instead. Ammi and all of us kids got into a car while Mama, Papa, Masa and Masama decided to take their bikes instead of a car. And now you can see exactly why they didn't want to take a car in this traffic. With bikes, they can easily squeeze through traffic while we're sitting comfortably in the car and patiently waiting. And finally, we've reached Katipara. We parked the bikes and now we just have to take this bridge to get to our destination. And there we go, we finally made it. If you've been to Katipara, you probably know it's usually super crowded and finding a table or even a chair can sometimes feel like a mission. But today, we got lucky. The weather is quite windy and pleasant and somehow we managed to get a table and chairs without much trouble. So today is definitely our lucky day at Katipara. We managed to grab one table and now everyone has found their spot to sit. Our next mission was to order the food because honestly, we all kids were really hungry. So we first went to Pizza Hut. But to our surprise, they told us that the chicken they serve here is not halal. But one thing I really appreciate is the honesty. Even though they know they might lose customers, they don't pretend that the food is halal just simply to make the sale. They simply tell us the truth, and I think that honesty deserves appreciation. And now Papa is on a mission to find some good food. As always, Nizama told us about a Muslim-owned shop nearby that serves really good biryani. So we decided to give it a try. And finally, we got the family bucket of biryani for everyone. Now let's see if it lives up to the hype.
You're bored. Look, the weather is so good.
I know.
But then, why, they go around, walk around. See, these people are all walking around.
This is India.
So,
We got not really. Look at this much.
soon the burgers arrived. And there it is, our food has finally arrived too. And the best part, while we were enjoying eating, we could also watch planes fly overhead. Good food, a nice breeze, and planes passing by. What a lovely view.
Tell me, what do you want?
मोजिटो चाहिए आपको? चलो शायद सिर्फ मोजिटो होना आता है। और क्या चाहिए? Meanwhile, Shaz has gone on to a little mission to the potato wala to find out the price of a mojito. Let's see how much they're charging it for.
100 po. 100 po. Po means po what? What is po? I say 100 rupees. I think so.
Since we're surrounded by so many stalls, let's see what they have. But this uncle was charging 350 rupees, and for a moment I felt like he was saying 350 Qatari riyals. I'm so used to Qatari riyals now. In this block, you'll find many stalls, mostly selling clothing, and there's also a gaming zone under the bridge. If you take a left, you'll reach the highway where my parents park their bikes. And if you go straight, you'll find the parking car. No, you'll find the car parking.
Shazam!
While enjoying Kathiawara, we got a little thirsty, so we stopped at one of the stalls selling fresh fruit juices. We tried the delicious avocado and dry fruit juice. It was really tasty and refreshing. Masama bought these little spark toy guns for Shazib. But Shazib's gun wasn't working properly, so he went back and got exchanged.
Yeah, it's raining. Come fast. We have to go home.
आपके
आपके
जब आ रहे हैं
Now we're heading to the gaming zone. It's already midnight, so most of the stalls were closed and everyone was packing up. Somehow we managed to get one last ride for the whole family on the toy train. The toy train itself wasn't that exciting, but all of us sitting together and enjoying the ride made it much more fun and memorable. Now it's time to head back home after a day full of fun and enjoyment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye!